short video. Now, on this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade or renew your membership subscription once it expires on EN. Okay, EN is EarnNaija. EarnNaija is a platform that is created to reward you and is fast becoming the household name for every Nigeria out there and also Africa in large. So, yeah, I have to just join EarnNaija with the link in the description of this video, or better still, go back to the person that is telling you about EarnNaija and get started. Now, when you must have created an account and you are a paid member, and probably you must have maybe your membership has expired, you will discover that if you go to your account, the system will automatically take you as like it will be able to. If you go to membership, you see that there will not be any membership reading on your account area again, just like what you are seeing right here. So this is going to look like this. So what happened is your membership was exhausted and you have to renew your account. Okay, so if you also go to your earning point system, let me show you something. You will see that moment at which your membership has expired, the system will automatically take you to a free point system, as like it will actually tell you that your daily point limit is now what placed at as a 1,000. Why is it like that? Because it's now seeing you as a free user, right? So how do you really upgrade, renew your account? So simple. If you go to your wallet, if you have money in your wallet, you can use available fund on your wallet to be able to upgrade the account. So I have over 100 and something thousand on my wallet. So I'm going to use my wallet, but you can also use that of Paystack, which I've made in most of my videos. So how do you do that? It's very simple. All you have to do is to click on upgrade. Okay, once you click on your image here, then click on upgrade here. So once you click on this upgrade, it will take you to the place where you have to see all the packages. Okay, those packages are very, very vital for you to earn on EarnNaija. So Naija Hustler is 500 for 7 days. So you can see it written on each of the packages are very self-explanatory. So I've made so many videos. Go check it out on most of my videos. So you see street levels, sharp guy. But the one that I'm actually on, which I usually recommend for everybody, is the Odogu package. The simple answer, because it pays you well as a creator or someone that is building a community. Though if you're a starter, people that are starting up, you can start with that of Naija Hustler. For those of you that are just like like you just like want to use it for, like, you want to be just a starter, you can start with Naija Hustler. But the one that I'm going to be going is for the Odogu package. So all you have to do is very simple. You just click on buy now. So you can see it right away. Just click on buy now. This time we now prompt you to give you a summary of what the package entails, how much you have to pay, which is 10,115 naira. 115 naira, I mean to say. So just click on continue. Then here are two options for you to select, which is either wallet or Paystack. So remember, I'm going to go with that of a wallet credit. So I'm going to just click on this wallet credit, and voila, the system will automatically debit my wallet. You can see it right away. Has debited 10,000 naira from my wallet, and then upgrade me. But one funny thing about this is that if you are paying through your wallet, this time is not charging you for extra fee. It's just charging you that exact amount, which is 10k, for instance, on this Odogu package. So if I now go back to maybe my account settings again and then click on membership, so you can see now that the system is now giving me that I've now upgraded or renewed my account, my package, to this, and it's going to last for 90 days. So you see the time at which I did it, and you can see everything. So it is as simple as that, and you can begin to now begin to renew, maybe boost your page or post, as if you so wish. Okay, so if you also come to your point system here, you will see that the system has now upgraded you to now that you are now see 3,000 points, and you can see the ones you have exhausted for that limit for that day. So you can see it now. If you also come down a little bit, you will now see that you will start earning as you used to earn, which of course you can see now. Once I make any publication or views are coming, I'll be making money henceforth based on that package. So get started right away and upgrade uh, your package to a very the one that will give you. I recommend a double level. For if you're a starter, you can go with EarnNaija Hustler. So that's just on this video. Thanks and God bless.